Imagine a metal that simply doesn't exist in nature. You can't mine it from the earth, you can't find it in the heart of a volcano, and it wasn't here when our planet was first born. To find this element, you have to look somewhere else entirely. Humans literally had to invent it within the walls of a high-tech laboratory. We forced it into existence. This is plutonium, but it's not like other metals. It's warm to the touch, it breathes like a living organism, and it defies almost every law of physics we know. It is the ghost in our periodic table. So, how do you create a metal out of thin air? You cook it. We start with uranium-238, a metal that makes up 99% of all natural uranium, but on its own, it isn't very useful. To change that, we place it inside a nuclear reactor and bombard it with neutrons. It's a subatomic game of billiards. We hit the uranium atoms until they absorb the extra energy, forcing the element to change its very identity. This is modern-day alchemy. We are taking what was once considered nuclear waste and turning it into plutonium, the world's most powerful and concentrated superfuel. At its core, plutonium-238 is essentially a natural heater. It doesn't need a spark or a plug. It generates intense energy 24/7 just by existing. Think of it like a battery that is permanently locked at 100%. If your smartphone ran on a tiny, microscopic speck of this metal, you would never have to plug it in for your entire life. But there is a catch. It is physically hot to the touch. This is called decay heat, a constant, unyielding flow of power that never stops, day or night, for decades. It is energy in its purest, most restless form. Most metals follow the rules. Iron is always iron, and copper stays predictable. But plutonium? It is the ultimate shapeshifter of the periodic table. It doesn't just expand when it's heated, it can suddenly and violently shrink. It doesn't have one identity. It has 6. Scientists call them phases, or personalities. Each one has a different crystal structure and a different density. To a nuclear engineer, this is an absolute nightmare. It is like trying to build a precision machine with parts that change their physical shape whenever the temperature shifts. Imagine trying to build a car with parts that shrink and grow every time the sun comes out. That is the bizarre logic of the world's most complex element. It is a material that demands we rewrite our understanding of how matter behaves. But here is the logic behind why we need it. Right now, the Voyager probes are drifting 14 billion miles away in the absolute bone-chilling darkness of interstellar space. At that distance, the sun is just a tiny, dim speck. Solar panels? They are completely useless out there. So, how have they survived for over 45 years? The answer is a small, glowing heart of plutonium-238. It sits at the core of the spacecraft, silently radiating heat and converting it into a steady stream of electricity. It is the only power source rugged enough for the deep freeze of the cosmos. It is the ultimate off-grid power system, the silent heartbeat that keeps our furthest reach into the stars alive. Without this manufactured metal, our understanding of the outer solar system would be a total blank. We are taught to fear it, but the logic of its danger is widely misunderstood. Most people think looking at plutonium is a death sentence, but the physics tells a different story. Plutonium-238 emits alpha particles. They are heavy, they are slow, and they have almost no penetrating power. A single thin sheet of paper is enough to stop them completely. Even your own skin acts as a natural shield. You could stand right next to a block of plutonium and be perfectly safe from its radiation. In this system, distance and a simple barrier are all you need for protection. The real terror isn't the metal, it's the dust. If you inhale a microscopic speck, it enters your internal system. From the inside, it radiates your cells without mercy. It isn't a Hollywood monster, it's a chemical poison that demands absolute, unwavering respect. Plutonium is a testament to human engineering, a man-made power that runs our most advanced systems. Understand the metal, and you understand the blueprints of our world. This is Know Your System. Understand the system. Understand the world.